Welcome back and Happy New Year. I'm so excited. This is my first video of the new year. Also, my first video in what feels like forever, but I think it's actually only been 2 weeks. So thank you for being patient with me as I took a little bit of time off to focus on some other things at home and the holidays. But I am excited to be back, and I should be on a regular schedule coming up next week. This video is a little bit different. Normally I do Target and Walmart on Wednesdays. Because I did not do a Walgreens video, I'm gonna hit the highlights, best deals at Target, Walmart, and Walgreens in this video. So if you're just showing up to the channel for the first time, not typical. Typically I do a video completely on Walgreens on Sunday mornings, but I want to add those in here because I know a lot of people count on me to talk about the best deals going on over at Walgreens each week. Now, I will also tell you very briefly what meals I'm cooking for the week. I know a lot of you like to hear that. I'm also thinking about doing a pantry challenge, basically cooking meals that I can come up with what I have in my fridge and in my pantry. So I'll let you know when I decide to do that. The other thing I want to tell you about is the exercise program that I've been doing, for about 6 months I've been using it, I think. But the reason I'm telling you about it, one, I know a lot of people have goals related to exercise when the new year starts. Exercise has kind of been a part of my life for really as long as I can remember. It makes me feel good and I enjoy doing it most of the time. But I started using the Get Healthy UTV, which is, you can stream like unlimited classes, and I do them at home through my Roku. There are lots of different ways you can do it. You can even do it through your phone. But the reason I'm talking to you about it, one, I love it. I love the classes. I'm crazy sore from the class I did last night, but I took like an advanced class. They have beginner, intermediate, advanced. They show you different modifications, which is really nice. But it's only 79 cents for the entire year of unlimited classes. And there are other benefits, like you can look at recipes and like I think there's like forums for support and all that type of stuff. I haven't used those functions yet to be able to talk to you about it. But 79 cents, unlimited classes for the entire year is an amazing deal. I'll drop the link down below. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Last night I did cardio sculpt. The night before that I did like a jab punch crunch is what it's called. It's a high intensity interval training, like kickboxing type workout. I enjoyed the classes. Wanted to throw that out there for you guys. Let's start with Target deals. Lots of food deals over at Target. The Pillsbury, these pie crust refrigerated section, just 99 cents on sale, which is a huge discounted price for these. So get those if that's something that you use. The Horizon Organic, these yogurts are buy one, get one half off. So when you buy two, it's $8.98, but there's a $3 rebate on Ibotta. And so you'll get $3 back on each of them. So a total of $6 back, making it $2.98 for both of them, or just $1.49 each. So a great sale price with that Ibotta offer. Now, if you're not using Ibotta yet, you definitely want to check it out. Grab it with my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Great cashback app. Of course, it's free. Just as a little reminder, I use a number of cashback apps, but I have tutorials on every single one that I use. That's a lie. I have a tutorial on the biggest ones that I use, and I will drop that playlist down below, and I'm hoping to get additional tutorials out to you on more money-saving apps this year. Now, these Tyson Buffalo chicken strips. Great deal on these because there were 3 different offers stacking. So check in your Target Circle app, see if you have the 50% off offer, the 20% off offer, and the 15% off offer. Now, it's on the green bag, the unbreaded buffalo chicken strips. They're $10.29 each normally. Get 2 bags. For some reason, you got to get 2 bags versus just 1. You could actually get 4 bags if you want. I picked up 2. My total cost for each of them after those coupons came off was $3.49. when they're originally $10, so great savings on that. The Siggy's yogurt, this was just a freebie on Ibotta, so check your Ibotta app. It's $1.99. You get $1.99 back in the Ibotta app, making it completely free. The last thing I picked up at Target is this Just Eggs. I've never tried this product. Let me know if you have. I used to do egg whites a lot. Like I'd buy the Just Whites or egg whites, whatever it's called. But this is plant-based, so it's not actually eggs. $3.99. There's a 20% off Target Circle, so you'll pay $3.19. Get $1.25 back on Ibotta, making your final cost $1.94. Probably not an amazing price if that's not a product that you use typically, but I wanted to show it to you guys. Okay, now we're transitioning away from Target. Well, I say that. Target Christmas went 90% off. Hanukkah went 90% off. So definitely check your store for some 90% off holiday clearance finds. The first store I went to in my area was salvaging, so they were just putting everything in a box and getting rid of it. I went ahead and went to a second store like less than 5 miles up the road, and they were not salvaging. So it's really going to depend on the store, but it was ringing 90% off, so definitely check that out. I did post some pictures on Facebook as well as on Instagram, and I believe I posted them to the community tab on YouTube. If you're not familiar with the community tab, definitely check it out because I've been posting more deals. That way I can get them out there quickly to you guys without having to do a full video on them. Okay, now let's talk about Walgreens. So there's great deals on the Nature Valley bars as well as these Cinnamon Toast Crunch bars. So they're $2.99 each. They're buy one, get one free. I had a $1 digital coupon for buying one of these. Check and see if you have $1.50 on two. I just had the $1 on one, making me pay $1.99 for both of them. But then there's a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta for each. So I got $1 back on Ibotta, making it 99 cents for both, or just 49 cents per box. Now, the Nature Valley bars, and I'll try to pop it up here on the screen. Same kind of deal, $2.99, buy one, get one free, $1 digital coupon, so you pay $1.99, but then there's a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, so you'll get 50 cents back. So a little bit more expensive, still a great deal. Now, the Hard as Nails, again, this is at Walgreens, $2.69 each. There's a $4 digital coupon, making it $1.38 for both of them, or just 69 cents each. Now, I noticed quite a few clearance items, and I'm going to tell you about these. This would be for curbside pickup only. It's not going to work in the store. But we've got the Rimmel eye product. I grabbed a eyebrow pencil that was priced at $1.79 on clearance online. There's a $2 digital coupon. That digital coupon will adjust down to $1.79, making this item free. Same with the Rimmel lipstick. I found this one, and this is Dat Red. And it's $1.79, $2 digital coupon for the Rimmel lip, making it completely free. Same deal with this Revlon cream eyeshadow, and let's see if it tells me the color. It just says $7.55. It's like a silver color. The clearance price was less than the digital coupon that I had in my account, which made it completely free. So definitely check out those little freebies if you are a Walgreens shopper. Now you can also pick up some free toothpaste, $2.99 each. If you're doing it as curbside, use the code NEW10. It's going to take off 40 cents. There's also a $2 digital coupon, making you pay $3.58, but you'll get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it completely free, and a 42-cent moneymaker. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're still going to get the Walgreens cash back. My favorite deal this week was on the 7th generation products. All of the 7th generation products were buy one, get $2 in Walgreens cash back. But there were products as low as like $2.79. So I was able to find dish soap for $2.79. I got $2 back for buying it, making it just 79 cents. There was also like a cleaning spray at $3.59. You'd get $2 in Walgreens cash back, making it $1.59. There were disinfectant wipes that were in the $3 price range. So just check out, see what your store has, or you could even do ship to home. I did a ship to home order this week, and I think I paid $36 and ended up with $35 back in Walgreens cash. It was an amazing week over at Walgreens for that. I wish I had gotten a video out. I needed the time at home with the stuff that's going on. I just needed to spend a little bit more time at home and get ready for the year. Okay, let's talk about meals for the week before I talk about Walmart. So this week I had Home Chef delivered. Now, I had done Home Chef in the past. I canceled it because it was getting more than what I wanted to spend, but they had a great promotion going on right now, and it's going on still. And so I signed back up for it, and I was going to do just a few weeks while they were offering a really great incentive. Maybe I'll keep it going. Maybe I'll cancel. That's the beauty of it. You can skip weeks anytime you want. You can cancel anytime you want. But this week I have salmon, rice, and carrots, a shrimp scampi, as well as white wine, chicken, scallopini. Those were the 3 meals that came from Home Chef. Now, if you want to try it out, I'll drop the link below. When I was looking yesterday for new members, you can get 2 meals for 2 people for a total cost of $15.98. Or you can get 3 meals for the week for 2 people, and it's going to cost you $23.98. So not a bad deal. Again, I'll drop that link down below. Last night I made a panini, a vegetable panini, and then I was trying out a potato soup recipe, and so I had some of that as well. I promise next week I will be updating my website with the stuff that I'm cooking. I just haven't made the time to do that as I took some time off. All right, now let's talk about Walmart. I felt like Walmart was kind of a slow week. Christmas holiday stuff is 75% off still. I'm hoping it goes 90% off soon. The deals that I did, I grabbed the Finish power tabs at $3.34. I submitted my receipt to coupons.com app where I got $1.50 back. I submitted to the Ibotta app where I got $1.25 back, making it 59 cents total. This one's an easy deal. It's $3.74. Get back $2 on Ibotta, making it just $1.74. The Febreze, these sprays are over in the travel section, $1.97 each. Pick up 2 of them. You'll get back $3.30 on Ibotta, making your final cost 67 cents or just 33 cents each. Now, because I did so many Ibotta offers, I did hit my midweek bonus of $3 back, so that helped cover my out-of-pocket cost on these. And I always pay at Walmart using my Ibotta earnings. I cash those Ibotta earnings out to Walmart gift cards, and I pay with that, so no money is coming out of my bank account. Pick up 3 of the Olays in the travel section, priced at $1.77. It'll cost you $5.31. Get back $5 on Ibotta, leaving your final cost to be 31 cents for all 3 of them, or just over 10 cents each. Always scan an Ibotta to make sure the item is attaching to the offer before buying it. I've seen this happen where I'll do the deal, it works for me, but then they change it, and so the product may not qualify any longer, so just double check. Now, the Dove body wash, I tried this deal out yesterday, it worked beautifully. It's $1.73 in the travel section. There is a shop kick offer for any Dove body wash up to 20 ounces. You'll get $1.60 back, making my final cost just 13 cents for this body wash. If you're not using Shopkick yet, one of my favorite apps, again, I have a full tutorial on it. Grab it with my referral code SWC5 and you'll score an additional $5 in cash that you can cash out to gift cards. Now, that was it. I want to make sure I'm telling you everything. It feels so weird. I haven't done a video in so long that I feel like there's a million things I want to tell you. This year, I'm excited to share more deals, more ways to save. I know more people than ever are looking for ways to reduce their monthly bills. So I'm excited to think through some ways to do that for you guys. I also want to show you more products that I love and believe in. So you can expect to see some of that popping up in my videos this year as well. Drop me a comment. Let me know how your holidays were, maybe what your favorite gift was. I'm excited because I do have a favorite thing I got this year that I am just loving, and it's like not expensive at all. So I'll tell you about that in another video. Hope you guys have a great week. Thanks.